How to replace a linear actuator. Disconnect the power supply or battery from the unit. Disconnect the power headrest and lumbar cables. Place a protective blanket down behind the unit. Flip the unit onto its back. This will provide easier access to disconnect the switch from the motor and make removing the motor easier. Take a picture of the wiring for future reference. Disconnect the motor cable and remove all cable ties and screws securing the motor cable to the frame. Remove the bolts connecting the motor to the rail using a Torx T30 bit and cordless drill. Remove the motor linkage bolts, then remove the motor. Install the new motor into the mechanism cavity. Reinstall the motor to rail connection bolts using the bolts from the original motor. Reinstall the motor linkage bolts using the bolts from the original motor. Reference the picture that was previously taken to replicate the cable routing and connections. Use the new plastic cable ties to bundle and reattach the cable to the frame. Remove any excess ties. Flip the unit back onto its base. Reconnect the power cable or battery. Test the unit for functionality.